It is that time of year again, zucchini season. Welcome to the Bedford Life & Company. My name is Alexis, and today I'm going to show you how to make a very easy yet delicious ricotta and zucchini quiche with just a few simple ingredients. Now don't mind the backdrop we got going on here. I am sitting down by the pond and enjoying the view. Check it out. You probably can't blame me. So put your aprons on and let's get started. Quiches are so easy to make. I just learned how to make them like last year, and I have to tell you, I'm completely obsessed. Here's what you'll need. Holy crap, that looked like a pterodactyl that just flew out of the sky. What the? But I have to admit, I don't like things that fly, like birds or bugs or... Now, to avoid a very watery quiche, make sure that you pick zucchinis that are on the smaller side. Ricotta is also very wet, so you want to make sure that you don't have too much liquid in your quiche. You have to be very careful. A great way to get rid of a lot of water in the zucchini is to salt them before you put them in the quiche. Now, don't blame me guys here. I took a shortcut and bought pre-made pie crust. I do know how to make my own pie crust. Just for the interest of time, I'm going to use a pre-made one here. If you're interested in purchasing any of the items featured in this video, make sure you check out the description box below. I will leave direct links to either Amazon or thebedfordlife.com. This quiche will take longer than a normal quiche because of the wetness of the zucchini and the ricotta. You have to make sure that you cover the outside of the crust with tin foil. The inside takes so much longer than the actual crust, so if you don't cover it, it will burn terribly. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I want to thank you guys for watching. I will see you next week. Bye.